Acceleration. There are two types of acceleration. Is there average acceleration? This average acceleration can be defined as change in velocity by change in time, which is similar to average velocity that we discussed in the previous videos. Change in velocity is v2 minus v1 by t2 minus t1. Another type of acceleration is instantaneous acceleration. This instantaneous acceleration can be defined as dv by dt. This is important, which is similar to instantaneous velocity that we discussed in the previous video. This dv by dt can be rewrite as, here v is dx by dt, right? That we know. Substitute into this equation, then a becomes d by dt of dx by dt. This becomes a equals to d square x by dt square. You can write acceleration in two ways. One is dv by dt, another one is d square x by dt square. You can also write dv by dt like this, dv by dx multiplied by dx by dt. How? If you cancel this dx in the numerator and denominator, if you cancel these two, you will get dv by dt. I just multiplied and divided with dx, both the numerator and denominator. Here replace this dx by dt as v. V is dx by dt, right? Then it becomes v times dv by dx. This is third form. Okay. Look, a can be written as dv by dt and also d square x by dt square, v into dv by dx. Depending on the situation, we will use the corresponding equation. Okay. Out of these three, this is so important. You will get most of the questions depending on this equation. Now let's see a few examples on this. X equals to tq minus 6t square. Find acceleration at t equals to 2 seconds. That means indirectly he is asking instantaneous acceleration at 2 seconds. A can be defined as in terms of x and t. In terms of x and t, that is d square x by dt square. This is double derivative. First find dx by dt, that is d by dt of t cube minus 6t square. This will give us 3t square minus 12t. This is dx by dt, but we want d square x by dt square. Again differentiate with t. We will get 6t square, 6t minus 12. Acceleration at t equals to 2. At t equals to 2, substitute t equals to 2, then you will get, that is 12 minus 12, 0. At t equals to 2, acceleration is 0 meter per second square. Next example. V equals to t square plus 2t plus 4. Find acceleration at t equals to 3 seconds. Define acceleration in terms of v and t, that is dv by dt. Okay, differentiate this. Dv by dt equals to d by dt of velocity is t square plus 2t plus 4, that is 2t plus 2. Velocity acceleration at t equals to 3. At t equals to 3, substitute 3 here. This gives us 6 plus 2, 8. A is 8 meter per second square. Look at the third example. V equals to root over 5000 plus 24x. Find A. So define A in terms of velocity and displacement. That is V equals to d by dx. use this formula now. V we already know. Now find dv by dx. dv by dx equals to d by dx of 5000 plus 24 over x. If you differentiate this, root of something, it will become 1 by 2 root of the same quantity is 24x. If you differentiate inside the function, it becomes 0 and 24x becomes 24. Cancel this, 2 ones are 2 12s are. You get 12 by 5000 plus 24x. This is dv by dx. Substitute into this, a equals to v is this root of 5000 plus 24x multiplied by dv by dx is this 12 by 5000 plus 44x. Cancel these two, you get a equals to 12 meter per second square.